Namaste, welcome to my channel Lifelong Lifestyle. This is Ombika, and in today's video I am going to describe the process of making flax seeds laddu, which is very healthy, very tasty, and a healthy sweet snacks. So healthy and sweet snacks, these two words sound quite contradictory, I know, but believe me, this is it. Flax seeds ki laddu is a healthier alternative of snacks, sweet snacks, for those who have sweet tooth. And this is very beneficial for healthy skin, healthy hair, and overall body health. This is going to support you in your weight loss journey, in your belly fat loss journey. So let's get started. But before starting the video, I would request everyone, each of you, to please subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe to my channel, it is not going to cost you anything, but it is going to support my work, and your each like and subscription is means a lot to me. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, first of all, let me tell you the benefits of flax seeds. Flax seed is not at all a new food item or seed to Indian society, but it is an age-old traditional Indian seed, and it is very beneficial. In English it is called flax seeds, and in Hindi it is called alsi ke beej, or Bengali mein Bangla etake bole tishi. So it is called alsi ke beej ke laddu, or tishi laddu, or flax seeds laddu. So okay, I have lists of benefits of flax seeds. It is written in my diary, so let me read it out. So this superfood is full of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B1, which helps in digestion. It is anti-aging. B6 is beneficial for increasing metabolism, hormonal balance. B9, vitamin B9, which is good for heart, skin and muscle. Manganese, it is rich in manganese, which is very beneficial for bones, thyroid and metabolism. And next, magnesium, which is good for immunity, and it also relief from constipation. Okay, for hormonal balance and weight loss, you should eat the flax seeds, 10 to 15 flax seeds in the morning in breakfast. For sleep, better sleep, and for reducing your anxiety, you should have flax seeds during your bedtime, I mean before your bedtime. And always remember to eat in low quantity, only just 1 teaspoon, and always eat flax seeds roasted. Always roast the flax seeds before eating, or you roast it and then you can grind it properly. So you should always eat ground flax seeds. I'm sorry, not grounded, ground flax seeds, not whole flax seeds, because our body cannot digest seeds as a whole seed. It cannot digest this flax seeds. So before eating, please remember to roast these flax seeds. Okay, so don't waste much time. I'm not going to waste much time. So it's time to eat flax seeds in a tastier but healthy way. So please see the recipe. To make this healthy and tasty laddu, we need 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 cup of ground flax seeds. So now roast the coconut till it turns brown, so that the coconut, the laddu remains fresh for a couple of days. Now add the roasted and ground flax seeds, or you can say flaxseed powder. Then just stir it properly. Now in a mixture bowl, I have taken 2 tablespoons of dry fruits powder. These are the dry fruits that I have added in this powder. And for natural sweetener ingredients, I have used raisins and soft dates, and also the jaggery powder, 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, and 4 or 5 dates, soft dates and jaggery powder. Now then in this mixture jar, the roasted flaxseed and coconut mixture, flax seeds and coconut powder is added. Now I would grind this and mix this in this jar. After mixing properly, the mixture is ready. You can add coconut oil or ghee here. Now I would take a small amount of this mixture and roll it in my palm, so that it forms a good laddu. So with this mixture, I have made 13 laddus here. This is very beneficial for your hair growth, for your good hair, strong hair and healthy skin, and also beneficial for your weight loss journey. And above all, this is very tasty sweet dish. I hope you like the quick recipe of flaxseed laddu. Thank you.